Hey everybody, it's time for another episode of Home Inspection Nightmares. This house has a lot of problems, surprisingly, a lot of problems. So get your favorite drink ready, your favorite snack ready, sit back, let's get into it. Is a skunk good luck or maybe bad luck for home inspection? What do you think? Duct tape does not fix everything. The extension on that seems to be missing, and this vent cover's cracked. These steps have no handrail, and the downspout has no extension to get the water away. Alright, this shed looks good on the outside. Everything looks great. Looks like it's in good condition. Let's go check out the inside of it. Oh boy. A little bit of hole in that roof there. Yikes, what happened to that? The screen door is off its track. Should be a pretty easy fix. And the caulking around these windows is starting to peel away a little bit. That's not right. Gotta check out this handle in this faucet handle in the shower. I would say that's a little loose. What does everyone think? All right, it doesn't work properly either. When you turn it, the hot water comes on, and you keep turning it, it shuts off. And you keep turning it, the cold water turns on. So, plumber definitely has to get that replaced for sure. Whenever you have an open side like this beside your stairs, always a good idea to have handrails for sure. Imagine like a child coming through here and just falling down in there. That could definitely injure a small child or even an adult for that matter. So handrails, always a good idea, folks. Every single time I see this type of a faucet at one of these tubs, they always leak. Watch, I turn this on. Every single time, never fails. Time to call a plumber. All right, so a garage is supposed to be gas proofed. So, which means you can't have holes in the ceiling. You can't have more holes over here. No holes there, because if you have your car running, you don't want the gases from your car to come into the house. Look, there's a vent up there. Look, there's another vent over here. So, there's cracks in the walls, openings around the doors, all kinds of stuff. So you want to make sure you seal all that up, like another hole in the wall there. Seal it all up so that the gases don't come into your house. I was running the dishwasher and noticed there's water at the base of the cabinet, water on the floor, and the hose looks like it's been chewed through. It looks like the cold room vents are blocked. And the cold room door is just a thin wood door.
Because they told me if I have any rental property in the area, we can let us know.
Looks like we have a condensated window. Might be time to replace it. And another condensated window. It was very difficult to turn off this faucet. Probably time for a replacement. No handrail or balusters on the open side of these stairs. Well, that's expired. That one doesn't work. So how am I supposed to properly inspect the furnace with all this stuff in the way? And inspect the water heater.
Yeah, because these guys they have that
Some of the party wall drywall tape is peeling off in the attic space. And it looks like we got some mold growing in the attic. That's not right.